नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो. In series of 6 lecture we have complete the 2 points in the pair of straight line. That is, the first point is the combined equation of the two straight line, that is a pair of straight line, and second point is the combined equation of the two straight line passing through the origin is a second degree homogeneous equation, or every second degree homogeneous equation in x and y represent a pair of straight line passing through the origin if h square minus ab is greater than or equal to 0. Now today we are going to start the last point of the chapter, that is the angle between the lines represented by ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. So there is one of the theorem related to this point, and that theorem is the acute angle theta between the lines represented by x square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0 is tan theta is equal to 2 root of h square minus ab divided by a plus b. So we have to prove that आपल्याला काय प्रूव्ह करायचं आहे की हे इक्वेशन ज्या दोन वेगवेगळ्या लाईन दाखवत आहे त्या दोन लाईन मधील अँगल हा tan थीटा इज इक्वल टू 2 रूट ऑफ एच स्क्वेअर मायनस ए बी डिवायडेड बाय ए प्लस बी एवढा असतो. मग प्रूफसाठी लेट m1 and m2 be the slope of lines represented by x square plus 2hxy plus by square and is equal to 0. So समजा m1 आणि m2 हे लाईनचे स्लोप आहेत ह्या इक्वेशनने रिप्रेझेंट केलेल्या. तर मग तुम्हाला माहित आहे वी हॅव m1 plus m2 is equal to minus 2h upon b. This is equation number 1. And m1 into m2 is equal to a upon b. This is equation number 2. Also we have, that is m1 minus m2 bracket square is equal to, this can be written as m1 square plus m2 square minus 2 into m1 into m2. Okay, so also one of the form of identity, that is m1 plus m2 bracket square is equal to m1 square plus m2 square plus 2m1 into m2. Okay, so from this we find the value of m1 square plus m2 square and put the value of m1 square plus m2 square in this case. Okay, so m1 square plus m2 square is equal to m1 square plus m2 square is equal to, यावरून m1 square plus m2 square ची व्हॅल्यू फाइंड करायची आहे. हे इथं प्लस 2 m1 into m2 आहे, इकडे नंतर मायनस होईल. Therefore this is m1 plus m2 bracket square minus 2m1 into m2. आता बघा ही आलेली m1 square plus m2 square ची जी व्हॅल्यू आहे ती आपल्याला या इक्वेशन मध्ये पुट करायची आहे. ठीक आहे, तर m1 minus m2 होल ब्रॅकेट स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल टू, बघा m1 स्क्वेअर प्लस m2 स्क्वेअर ची व्हॅल्यू आहे m1 प्लस m2 ब्रॅकेट स्क्वेअर मायनस 2m1 into m2 into हे मायनस 2m1 into m2, that is minus 2m1 into m2. So this is m1 minus m2 whole bracket square is equal to, whole bracket square is equal to, this is m1 plus m2 bracket square minus 4m1 into m2. 4m1 into m2. So put the values of m1 plus m2 and m1 into m2. Then m1 minus m2 bracket square is equal to, put the value of m1 plus m2. m1 plus m2 ची व्हॅल्यू आहे minus 2h upon b, minus 2h upon b bracket square minus m1 into m2 ची व्हॅल्यू आहे a upon b. So this is 4 times a upon b. So this is m1 minus m2 bracket square is equal to, that is 4h square divided by b square minus 4a divided by b. याच्या अंशाला आणि छेदाला जर b ने मल्टिप्लाय केला तर इथं b स्क्वेअर होईल, म्हणजे छेद समान होईल. Therefore m1 minus m2 bracket square is equal to 4h square minus 4ab, okay, divided by b square, divided by b square. Therefore m1 minus m2, m1 minus m2 taking square root on both sides is equal to plus or minus 2 root of h square minus ab divided by b, divided by b. This is the value of m1 minus m2. And we know that in 11th standard we have studied the angle between the two lines represented by the angle between the two lines having slope m1 and m2. जर एखाद्या लाईनचा स्लोप m1 आणि दुसऱ्या लाईनचा जर स्लोप m2 असेल तर त्या दोन लाईन मधला अँगल आपण फाइंड केला आहे. दॅट अँगल tan theta is equal to m1 minus m2 divided by m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 into m2. Okay, so tan theta is equal to m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 into m2. Therefore tan theta is equal to m1 minus m2 ची किंमत आपण फाइंड केलेली आहे. दॅट इज प्लस और मायनस च्या ऐवजी डायरेक्ट आता मॉड असल्यामुळे प्लस येईल 2 रूट ऑफ h स्क्वेअर मायनस ab डिवाइडेड बाय b होल डिवाइडेड बाय 1 प्लस a डिवाइडेड बाय b. कारण m1 into m2 ची किंमत काय आपल्याकडे पुन्हा a upon b आहे. Therefore this can be written as mod of 2 root of h square minus ab divided by b whole divided by this is a plus b divided by b. So b get cancelled. Then lastly tan theta is equal to mod of 2 root of h square minus ab divided by a plus b. This is the angle between the two lines represented by this equation and hence proof. Okay, now question arises that when if the two lines are parallel to each other, then what is the we know that the angle between the two lines is equal to 0. म्हणजे जर दोन लाईन पॅरलल असतील तर त्यामधला अँगल किती असतो? 0 असतो. So we find the perpendicular and parallel condition of the lines represented by this equation. Okay, so we know that we have the lines are parallel to each other, then theta must be 0 and tan theta must be equal to 0. So if condition first, case first, if the lines are parallel to each other, जर दोन लाईन एकमेकाला पॅरलल असतील तर then theta is equal to 0 and therefore tan of theta must be equal to 0. tan 0 theta ची किंमत जर 0 ठेवली तर tan theta ची किंमत काय येणार आहे? 0 येणार आहे. And this implies that mod of 2 root of h square minus ab divided by a plus b and this is equal to 0. Therefore, this is equal to 0. This implies that hs square minus ab is equal to 0. Okay. This implies that hs square is equal to ab. Then the lines are parallel to each other. This is the condition that the lines represented by these equations are parallel to each other if and only if hs square is equal to ab. Okay, or hs square minus ab is equal to 0. Now the second case is if case second if lines are perpendicular to each other. Okay. So case second is lines are perpendicular to each other. Case second if the lines are perpendicular to each other, then theta is equal to 90 degree and tan of theta must be infinity. Tan of if theta is equal to 90, then tan theta is not defined. So this is that is 2 root of hs square minus ab divided by a plus b is equal to infinity. Is equal to infinity. It is possible only when if a plus b is equal to 0. It is possible if and only if a plus b is equal to 0. So this is the condition that the lines are perpendicular to each other. So this is the first conditions that the lines are parallel to each other, and this is the condition that the lines are perpendicular to each other. Now we solve some problems related to this theorem, and the first problem we take the first problem. Okay. Now first problem is show that the lines represented by show that problem first show that the lines represented by x square plus 6xy plus 9y square is equal to 0 are coincidence. Okay, are coincidence. So we have to show that the lines represented by this equation, this is the second degree homogeneous equation. So it always represented two straight lines, and that straight lines are passing through the origin. So this we have to show that these lines are coincident with each other. Now here solution. The given line is x square plus 6xy plus 9y square, and this is equal to 0. That means on comparing with याच्याशी कंपेयर करा. कोणाशी कंपेयर करता येईल? x square plus 2hxy plus by square, and this is equal to 0. So this a is equal to 1, 2h is equal to 6, and b is equal to 9. So h is equal to 3. H is equal to 3. Now we know that this equation represent a pair of straight lines, and that lines are passing through the origin, and the angle between these two lines is given to you. Also we find the parallel and perpendicular condition to this line. So lines are coincident to each other, means angle between these two lines is 0. That means the lines are coincident if the we know that the angle between the two lines is 0 if and only if the lines are coincident or they are parallel to each other. So the lines are coincident means the condition of the coincident lines is HS square minus AB is equal to 0. This is the condition that the lines are coincident. That means angle between the lines is two lines represented by this equation is 0. So put the values of therefore LHS is equal to HS square minus AB and therefore H ची किंमत आहे आपल्याकडे 3 स्क्वेअर मायनस A ची किंमत आहे 1 आणि B ची किंमत आहे 9. So this is equal to 3 square is 9 minus 9 and this is equal to 0. Therefore this is the RHS. Hence lines are coincident or lines angle between the two lines is 0. That is the lines are coincident with each other. Okay. Now next problem is find the value of k. Second problem, find the value of k if the lines represented by the equation kx square plus 4xy minus 4y square and this is equal to 0 are perpendicular to each other. आपल्याला यामध्ये k ची किंमत फाइंड करायची आहे कधी जेव्हा ही लाईन दोन लाईन या हे जे इक्वेशन आहे हे दोन लाईन रिप्रेझेंट करेल आणि त्या दोन लाईन काय असतील एकमेकीला परपेंडिक्युलर असतील. ओके. सो सोल्यूशन. सो द गिवन इक्वेशन इज kx square plus 4xy minus 4y square and this is equal to 0. So on comparing with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square and this is equal to 0. Therefore a is equal to k, 2h is equal to 4 and b is equal to minus 4. So h is equal to 2. Okay. Now we have the lines we have the condition that the lines represented by this equation are perpendicular to each other is a plus b is equal to 0. Okay. So therefore a ची किंमत आहे आपल्याकडे k plus b ची किंमत आहे -4 and this is equal to 0. So k is equal to 4. This is the value of k if the lines are perpendicular to each other represented by this equation. Okay. Now next problem is find the